Here is a beginner-level e-commerce manager quiz that covers e-commerce order fulfillment strategy, checkout and payment experience optimization, and fraud prevention and risk management. Question 1. Which of the following is the first step in an e-commerce order fulfillment process? A. Shipping the product. B. Processing the order. C. Receiving and storing inventory. And D. Customer placing the order. Answer: customer placing the order. Question 2. What is the main benefit of automating order fulfillment? A. Increases marketing reach. B. Reduces manual errors and speeds up delivery. C. Allows customers to modify their orders anytime. And D. Eliminates the need for customer service. Answer: reduces manual errors and speeds up delivery. Question 3. Which type of order fulfillment model involves the retailer keeping products in stock and shipping them directly? A. Dropshipping. B. Third-party fulfillment. C. In-house fulfillment. And D. On-demand printing. Answer: in-house fulfillment. Question 4. What is a third-party logistics provider responsible for? A. Handling order fulfillment, warehousing and shipping. B. Managing payment processing. C. Setting up a customer loyalty program. And D. Managing website design. Answer: handling order fulfillment, warehousing and shipping. Question 5. Which of these is an essential feature of an effective checkout experience? A. A long, multi-step checkout process. B. Hidden fees at the final step. C. Multiple payment options and a simple interface. And D. Requiring customers to create an account before purchasing. Answer: multiple payment options and a simple interface. Question 6. Which factor contributes most to cart abandonment? A. Too many product images. B. High shipping costs and unexpected fees. C. Quick checkout process. And D. Offering free returns. Answer: high shipping costs and unexpected fees. Question 7. Which payment method is typically not used in e-commerce transactions? A. Credit debit cards. B. Cryptocurrency. C. Bank transfers. And D. Cash on delivery, COD, in all countries. Answer: cash on delivery, COD, in all countries. Question 8. What does a buy now, pay later BNPL service offer customers? A. Discounts on future purchases. B. The ability to pay in interest-free installments. C. Immediate full payment at checkout. And D. A membership loyalty program. Answer: the ability to pay in interest-free installments. Question 9. Which of these improves checkout speed the most? A. Forcing users to sign up for a newsletter before checkout. B. Asking users to fill out multiple forms manually. C. Offering one-click checkout and guest checkout options. And D. Requiring re-entry of payment details for every purchase. Answer: offering one-click checkout and guest checkout options. Question 10. What is tokenization in payment processing? A. Replacing sensitive payment details with a unique identifier for security. B. Using blockchain technology for transactions. C. Collecting customer email addresses for marketing. And D. Enabling cryptocurrency payments. Answer: replacing sensitive payment details with a unique identifier for security. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is fraud prevention in e-commerce mainly concerned with? A. Reducing product returns. B. Preventing unauthorized transactions and identity theft. C. Improving social media engagement. And D. Increasing customer reviews. Answer: preventing unauthorized transactions and identity theft. Question 12. Which is a common sign of fraudulent transactions in e-commerce? A. A customer making multiple small orders. B. A customer using a corporate email for checkout. C. A first-time customer using a discount code. And D. A high-value purchase with multiple failed payment attempts. Answer: a high-value purchase with multiple failed payment attempts. Question 13. Which security measure helps detect fraudulent activity in online payments? A. Capture verification. B. Personalized product recommendations. C. Faster shipping options. And D. High-resolution product images. Answer: capture verification. Question 14. What is chargeback fraud? A. A delay in refunding customers. B. When a customer falsely claims they didn't receive an order to get a refund. C. A fee charged for using a credit card. And D. A lost package due to shipping issues. Answer: when a customer falsely claims they didn't receive an order to get a refund. Question 15. How can e-commerce businesses reduce chargebacks? A. Ignoring refund requests. B. Allowing only in-store pickups. C. Offering only one payment option. And D. Using fraud detection software and clear return policies. Answer: using fraud detection software and clear return policies. Question 16. Which authentication method helps prevent online payment fraud? A. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. B. Faster checkout with no security checks. C. No password requirements for returning customers. And D. Email-only verification. Answer: two-factor authentication, 2FA. Question 17. What is address verification, AVS, in payment security? A. Checking if the delivery address is correct. B. A fraud prevention system that verifies the cardholder's billing address. C. A feature that provides free shipping for certain locations. And D. A process of verifying customer identity through email. Answer: a fraud prevention system that verifies the cardholder's billing address. Question 18. What is the purpose of SSL encryption in an e-commerce website? A. To improve page speed. B. To make product images load faster. C. To reduce shipping costs. And D. To secure customer transactions and protect sensitive data. Answer: to secure customer transactions and protect sensitive data. Question 19. Which of the following is a best practice for preventing fraud in online payments? A. Manually reviewing all transactions. B. Requiring customers to verify their identity through multi-step authentication. C. Limiting sales only to repeat customers. And D. Avoiding the use of credit card payments. Answer: requiring customers to verify their identity through multi-step authentication. Question 20. Which security protocol ensures safe online transactions? A. PCI-DSS compliance, B. SEO optimization, C. Mobile-friendly design, and D. Content delivery networks, CDN. Answer: PCI-DSS compliance. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.